everyone, we have another unboxing today. This item I found it on Poshmark. I've been on a vintage train recently. I've been like scouring pre-loved market for a good vintage Louis Vuitton, and let me just move this sticker. I'm trying to hide my address. So I found this vintage item on Poshmark, which is in good condition, and I mainly purchased this item because I was looking for an alternative to super hard to get Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. It's just impossible to get, and the ones in pre-loved market are ridiculously overpriced, and I wasn't going to pay that much money. So I was looking for something alternative, and I found this one. It's slightly larger than Nano Speedy, which is more functional for me, to be honest. And on Poshmark, anything above $500, they'll authenticate it for you. So here is the authenticity card from Poshmark. So when you buy something that's over $500 on Poshmark, the sellers have to ship it to Poshmark headquarters, and then the expert at Poshmark will authenticate the item and then send it to you if it's authentic. If it's not authentic, you get your money back. So this was reviewed by YM. I guess that's the initial, YM or VM. I think it's YM. So it's authentic. Let's take the box away. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so excited. This bag, I believe this is 17-year-old bag. So it's not in a Louis Vuitton dust bag, but that's okay. It's like a generic dust bag. Are you ready? Little sneak peek. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, this is so cute. Look how adorable this is. It's a Rivera. It's either Rivera or Ribera. I've seen both on the website, different websites. So, I mean, if you know the correct name, please correct me. It's Rivera or Ribera, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a mini bag. Let's see the measurement. Well, actually, let's look at the condition first. For a bag that is 17 years old, it's in really good condition. It's got this. It's sort of like a washed out red color sort of thing. And it's got a little small pocket in here. And then the date code is in here. I don't know if you can see it. So it says CA1003. So this bag was made in 2003. I believe October of 2003. So it's 17 years old. The zipper feels good. Little heavy on the zipper, I guess, but that's okay. It's obviously it's a vintage bag. I can maybe like put little wax on it and that will smooth it up. The inside looks really good. The handles look really good as well. The glazing looks good. So this is little hook for a crossbody strap that you can put your crossbody strap on here. There's a little bit of wear right there. That's okay. I mean, I knew it's not brand new. Maybe a little little bit more of wear here as well. A little bit of corner wear. I mean, for a bag that is 17-year-old, it's really in good condition. Maybe a little bit of wear. Maybe it's not a wear, maybe it's like a stain that will come out. So yeah, it's a Damier Ebene Rivera. Let me show you how big the purse is. So it's about, on the very bottom, 9 inches. So Speedy Mini is about little less than 6.5. So that's like about this small. And I wanted something slightly larger than a Nano Speedy Nano. So it's more functional for me. Yeah. Also, what I have another package here. I ordered a strap that I want to use with this mini bag, and I ordered it from Organize My Bag. This Damier Ebene strap from Louis Vuitton is crazy expensive. So I ordered it from this Organize My Bag on Etsy, and they're supposed to match this Damier Ebene. Oh, it looks to be really good quality. Wow, it looks really nice. And it's got this U-clip, just like Louis Vuitton, except it doesn't say Louis Vuitton. So this strap looks really good. So let's see. You can adjust the length. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. I'm not gonna put this on for now. Let me just clip this on and see how it looks. Oh, it looks so cute. Look how cute is that. Oh, the hardware doesn't match exactly. I mean, obviously, this bag is 17 years old, and then the strap is brand new. So the hardware, there's slight mismatch. I don't know if you can see. The strap is like brighter yellow, shiny color, as opposed to this hardware is a little bit less yellow. So I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to tell on the video, but that's okay. Okay, now let's see what fits in here. Well, one thing that bugs me slightly right now is that when you look at the shape of the bag, it's a little bit concave in on the side. So I think that's probably from storage, you know, not being used for a long time. So I think if I just stuff it and just stuff this out, I guess, then it will probably reshape. So anyway, so let's see what fits in here. This is my Kindle. Will this fit? Oh, it fits like right on the bottom. It lays flat on the bottom, so that's great. This is my keep ball pouch. It's pretty tight, so I'm not, I mean, if I force it in, I guess it will lay flat on the bottom, but I'm not gonna try that. Here's my iPhone case. iPhone 8 Plus Autobox Defender Series, ginormous phone case. That fits. That fits. My sunglass. That fits. My wallet. My 6 key holder. They all fit. And then a little tissue. They all fit in here, and there's some space right here for I'm not sure what to put in there, so maybe I'll take some stuff out from my keep ball pouch, my AirPod, my inhaler, it will fit there. My lip balm, Buxom lip balm, they will fit there. Cool. So it fits quite a bit. Zipper is a little bit, yeah, definitely need to be waxed or something. So yeah, they all fit in there. It fits quite a bit. So I don't know if you want to see a Modshot. Let me try Modshot. Yeah, anyway, so this is my so that was my quick initial unboxing and first impression of this adorable vintage bag, Louis Vuitton Ribera. So yeah, I hope you guys find this helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And then if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.